कल मुंबई में हुआ फराह अली खान का स्टोर लॉन्च और फराह अली खान की ज्वेलरी लॉन्च को सपोर्ट करते हुए दिखाई दिए कई बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज और ऑब्वियसली थी फराह की फैमिली। ऋतिक was the perfect doting brother-in-law, clicking pictures and talking to everybody present। और मीडिया के साथ इंटरैक्ट करते वक्त भी ऋतिक रोशन praised Farah's collection a lot।
It's justified because it's Farah and Farah is one of the most मतलब जितनी खूबसूरत वो बाहर है ना उसका दिल उतना ही खूबसूरत है। She is one of a kind. She is beautiful. She is such a lovely person. And when she creates or when she talks about something that she's created, that sparkle in her eyes can inspire millions. Really, it can. It inspires me every single time. जब मैं उनका passion में देखता हूँ, तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि यार ये इस तरह का passion अगर मुझ में constantly रहे, तो I would be actually better and bigger than I am right now.
Moving on, we also spotted the diva Sushmita Sen over here, and even she was all praises for Farah Ali Khan.
Farah Ali Khan, the designer, is a fabulously passionate jewelry designer. She's never done anything in her life without being passionate about it. I think that's a great gift. So when you look at her jewelry, I was just telling you earlier, I love the fact that she understands size matters. So her emerald, for example, would be like a 40-50 carat emerald as a drop, which is beautiful because if you're going to buy jewelry and it's going to be an investment, that's how I buy it. I think I wear less, but I wear things of value. And the design always adds up to what you will absolutely fall in love with. And as you get, older with it, you'll still grow to love it.
वैसे इस स्टोर लॉन्च पर we also spotted the director Farah Khan, who came in here and also appreciated Farah Ali Khan's work and also said how difficult it is to be sharing the same name.
I've only been getting calls from the last 3 days because normally Farah gets my calls and I get her calls. So I've been getting calls regarding jewelry for the last 3 days. I'm actually not a jewelry person at all, but all the jewelry that I have has been gifted to me. And I remember when I got married, Zayed gifted me beautiful earrings with Farah design. Yeah. So I still have them, but they're a little heavy.
Next on the guest list was Dia Mirza, जो पहुंच गईं इस खूबसूरत ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन को देखने और सपोर्ट किया फराह के इस लॉन्च को।
The theme is Alice in Wonderland, and I think every woman will feel like Alice in the store. It is Wonderland. Every single piece is incredible. I'm sure it's incredibly expensive as well. But thank God, Farah is a friend. I'll be able to borrow this jewelry whenever I want.
वहीं Zayed Khan obviously थे एक proud brother, and he told us more about his sister's achievements.
I am very happy. I think all my sisters are very talented. As you can see, each one of them have their own defining, areas of talent, artistic of course. And Farah, I've always believed she's got amazing talent in jewelry. She's an A-grade jewelry designer. She's studied jewelry, and I think what she brings to the table is a sense of internationalism, but also a sense of etherealness, which is very like Indian at the same time.
And the talented designer who created this jewelry was absolutely thrilled. Farah हमें बताती है कि किस तरह उन्होंने एक थीम यूज किया है Alice in Wonderland का इस कलेक्शन के लिए।
Today is this store actually is I would call it a thematic store because we play with different themes. The opening theme we said let's have Alice in Wonderland because for me Alice signifies a world where dreams make anything possible, and for me that's my world where dreams make anything possible.
Also Farah ने ये भी बताया कि अपनी स्टार फैमिली के लिए उन्होंने अब तक कौन सी इंटरेस्टिंग पीसेस ऑफ ज्वेलरी बनाई है।
I'm the family designer, jewelry designer, and every time someone wants to buy something, my opinion is very important because, for family, I would do anything, of course, and for friends as well. So I end up actually, my sisters end up buying a lot of jewelry from me. My sister Simone is very classical in taste. My sister Suzanne doesn't like wearing too much jewelry, but when she does, she likes to wear those one-of-a-kind statement pieces. Hrithik always, he loves the pieces I've gifted him, like I've gifted him a pendant or, things like that, like cufflinks, and he loves those kind. But whenever they want to make something, they always ask me. My brother will tell me, make me a bracelet, or my father will say, make me a chain. My husband's the only one he says, I don't want to wear any jewelry, so I'm like, okay, I'll let you be, as long as you buy me jewelry. So he normally does that.
चलिए, आपके कलेक्शन तो आपके क्लोज्ड वंस और फैमिली मेंबर्स को तो पसंद आ ही गई है। We just hope it impresses the consumers as well. और इसी तरह से the store launch ended on a good note. For Rudrani Chattoraj, Zoom, Mumbai.